Hey y'all, I went to the gym, got my workout in, started my morning off great. Was feeling really tired, and I honestly woke up with like a really bad headache, but I just said, we're going with it, baby. We're going with it. I wanted to run to the mall and just do some retail therapy. Let's go in the mall, see if we can find some stuff, and then we're gonna make our way back home. So come on. So it's a little bit later. It's a lot later, but I did some running around. I never showed you guys what I got, but probably do that later. But I'm getting myself ready for this evening. One of my friends had invited me out to Art Under the Stars, and I mean, art and me, we go hand in hand, like, love it. Lord knows it takes me a while to get myself together. I just want to take time to get myself together, trying to bring it all in. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. So there's that. I should probably hydrate also. Got my little bag, my little makeup bag. This is my on-the-go bag when I'm like trying to do things in the car, but we're at my vanity, so we're gonna like get it together. So let's get into that. All right, so it's a little while later. It's actually not much later at all. We're down here at the sculpture court. Let me not even lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I have it listed in the description box. So I'll see you soon. y'all, so it is a little bit later. I'm finally home, as you can see, and I'm so happy to be home. You don't even know. Listen, I don't know if this happens to y'all, but with me, I can be out someplace, like, say for instance tonight, and it's winding down. I'm like, oh, where am I about to go to next? Baby, as soon as I got in my car, it hit me. You ever had the spirit of sleepiness come over you? Because it comes over me. I wish I could teleport, because I would literally just come home. It took me like 30-ish minutes to get home, which is no time. I had such a good time tonight. It was art under the stars, and it was a really good event. Had so much fun. And art has always been something that I've had like a passion for and that I've always loved. I'm not gonna lie, I was so hungry, or I am very hungry, but I am more tired than hungry. At this point, I just want to take my makeup off, shower, get in bed, and go to sleep. I got church in the morning, and then I have to go shopping and do some meal prepping, and I might go to the gym, or at least like go walk outside, spend some time with myself, and just get prepared for the week. This upcoming week is going to be like, I got a few things that are coming up, so I'm super excited. Can't wait for you guys to come along with me. Side note, I knew it was time to leave when I thought I saw a jelly bean on the ground. No, it was a roach. It was a big roach. I'm like, ugh. Anyway, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna wrap up the video here or if you're gonna see me tomorrow, but I'm not gonna bring you to church with me. If anything, I'll catch up with you after. This video might be dropping on Monday. We'll see. Either way, I'm getting myself together to go get in bed because I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. I hope you guys had an awesome Saturday. My day was really good. It was productive, and I felt really accomplished. I'm literally, I'm in a new season, and I'm just trying to go with it. And I'm just like, God, please help me right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm showing up. If God is putting it on my heart, I'm going with it. He's saying, do it, I'm gonna go. He's putting it on my heart to do it, I'm gonna do it. I don't even know what that looks like, but I'm doing it. So there's that. But I'm gonna wrap this up because your girl's tired and clearly I'm rambling, but I love you guys. I love you so much. I hope that you're in a good space. If you're not, that's okay too. Just know that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. It's like a season. You're in it for a little while, but it'll come to an end. And if anything, I'm praying for you. I really do hope that you're well. And I hope that you're just taking it one day at a time. Sometimes you literally have to take it 1 minute at a time, 1 second at a time. I've been there. Just know that life is what you make it, and you have the power to change any and everything. All it takes is for you to say, I'm done. Enough is enough. I'm ready for a change. I'm ready to start living for myself. I'm ready to start loving myself. Once you start to look inward, everything will change for you. So, all right, I'm done rambling. I was about to say I'm gonna get up off this phone. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.